Okay, here's our revised 3D rendering. So as we can see, I still have these corners as solid pieces, and I want to lightly push back on keeping these solid for shear strength. Mind you, we cannot secure this to the floor to strengthen it, so I really need some shear strength left to right to support all of this upper structure. I love the design of this, but as far as shear strength, it's very difficult to get any strength with all these columns. I mean, similar to when they put solid paneling on the side of structure, just to keep the shear going from left to right. Those solid panels on these corner pieces add a tremendous amount of strength. So again, these would be wood corners. All four of these are wood pieces, the maple color, wood countertops, and these pieces here, these shelves, these floating shelves, would be the decorative melamine, similar to the inside of all the casework. And these supports here for these shelves would be maple as well. The top piece here, the soffit, is all maple as well, all wood. These are 16 by 16, and the height, the overall height of this, these corner pieces are 94, and then this top soffit piece is 4 inches tall. So the overall, the final height is plus or minus a quarter inch, just depending on leveling, is 98 inches to the top. These are metal square tube pieces that run across the top, and these pieces will tie in right here for strength with these here. Plan view, this is 30 inches as opposed to the other side where this base piece is 24. This one coming out closer to center to pick up the electrical on the floor. And then elevation view looking inside, the island has been deleted. Drawers on the bottom, and these base cabinets are 23 7/8, and then we'll have the wood top, which will overhang at a minimum probably 1.25 inches on the back and the front. Open shelving, drawers below. Wrapping station, doors with adjustable shelves, and this is only 14 inches deep. The kiosk with the square and payment. Adjustable shelves on the top, and this one's only 24 wide. And the other wall, which is just a mirror image in it. So the left side of this cabinet is about 8 inches away from this corner column piece, so when this door opens it clears these cabinets here. So there will be a finished piece or panel on the back that covers that up. So essentially there's unusable space here, and then this upper cabinet, which clears the countertop, will be wider and attached to the side of this corner cabinet. Same scenario on this side here, but no upper cabinet, just unusable space in the corner here. I understand from the mall's perspective with keeping this open, and I like to look at this, it looks great. We don't have as much of the soffit and wood up here as they drew, but all of these pieces on the top are quite a bit of work to pull off, as well as these corners, getting that shelf in there. It's just a construction standpoint where it is difficult to pull this off, let alone with the shear issue that I am looking at. So take a look at this, let me know what we think, and we will take it from there. Thank you.